Today we're going to speak to a homeowner that's really excited about getting these hurricane impact windows installed into her home. She doesn't want to go through any more scares like having her husband and father up on a second-story ladder during this hurricane season. So she asked us to come out, help her with that, so her and her family feels a lot safer moving forward. They're excited about their beautiful new home. The one thing that was missing was the safety and security that's provided by new hurricane impact windows and doors. So I'm excited to talk to her to see how the installation's going and how happy she is with the decision she made. So I know you purchased a home in 2018, and shortly after you guys moved in, we had a threat and a scare of a hurricane. So what was that like for you and the family?
Well, it was horrible knowing that my dad, being 62 years old, and my husband,
more concerned about the dad.
Yeah,
Right?
being on this, the ladder. That was like the decision that led us to getting the windows.
But you also had some other concerns you'd mentioned about the road noise behind the house that you...
Oh, definitely, because it's most often used as like a drag racing road sometimes. So that was another thing, the noise control, and I love that the windows have secured most of that for us. My kids were outside playing and I can barely hear them once the windows were closed.
And we also went over some choices as it relates to the color of the windows and doors, and you decided to stay with the bronze color.
Yeah, I think it was, I think it just added that extra touch that our home needs. And I mean, there were several options to choose from, but I like that one the most. I love everything from the crew that came out. They were professional, like everything from the start of the installation.
We're just putting the finishing touches on this installation. Everything went perfectly. Candace is really happy how everything turned out. She feels the family's going to be a lot safer for the next hurricane season. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Pat.